Today I'm making a short video of this Rogerab installation for my Vetera breather. I got this product from their website. Now they have sent a technician for installing it. Akash, the technician from Rogerab. He is unboxing this unit. This is how it looks. There are 4 pieces, 2 for the front shock absorbers and 2 for the rear one. Now he's fixing a jack to lift up the vehicle so he can get access to the shock absorber.
ये अंदर लगाएंगे क्या ये वाला?
हाँ, इसके अंदर लगाएगा शॉक अब्जॉर्बर में।
मतलब जट नहीं आया जाता है इसमें?
नहीं झटका नहीं आएगा, खड्डा वगैरह में जाएगा।
झटका नहीं आएगा।
Now it's cleaning the springs before installation of this Rogerab. This is how it looks after installation. This is after he has installed it. The height from the tire has increased a bit. Now he'll be doing the same to the rear tires too. So hope you like this short video of installing this Rogerab for shock absorbers. Now he's installing for the rear one. So he'll be doing the same on the other side too. Thanks for watching this short video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel Jeeves and Wheels. बारिश में सब अच्छा प्रोटेक्शन है इसको एक्चुअली लगाएगा तो। अभी रास्ते पे स्पीड ब्रेकर भी इतना बड़ा बड़ा किया है वो है ना।
चारों में लगा है।
हाँ चारों में, आगे पीछे। वो लोग के आके लगाते ही देते हैं, उनका ही टेक्नीशियन है रॉजर ऐप से।